Have you ever heard of someone with an 8-figure portfolio losing half of it overnight? That's exactly what happened to a former tech exec in Palo Alto, James Whitmore, when the 2008 crash wiped out $6.2 million of his retirement savings. Now, James isn't a gambler, but back then, his wealth manager was, and that portfolio was way too exposed to over-leveraged equities and high-risk bonds. Fast forward to 2023, James did something smart, something strategic. He rolled $2.1 million from his IRA into a gold IRA, and here's why. But first, let's talk about today's risk landscape, because it's not just tech bubbles or overvalued stocks anymore. Just last month, Wells Fargo issued a warning. Investors should prepare for more shocks. This, as the Fed doubles down on higher for longer interest rates, and inflation continues to quietly erode purchasing power. Treasury yields? Volatile. The dollar? Under siege from global de-dollarization, moves led by China and BRICS. Even commercial real estate, once a safe haven, has become a question mark in 2025. Here's the problem. Traditional portfolios, 60-40 stock bond mixes, aren't cutting it anymore, especially if you're sitting on $10 million, $15 million, or more. So let's rewind to James. Why gold? Because James wasn't looking for growth. He already had that. He was looking for preservation, a hedge, a way to keep his wealth safe from black swan events that could gut Wall Street. Again. He worked with a retirement specialist, took a 20-minute educational call, no gimmicks, no pressure sales, and moved a portion of his IRA into physical gold through a self-directed gold IRA. Now here's the twist. James wasn't a gold bug. He didn't wear tinfoil hats or stock up on freeze-dried food. He was a numbers guy, a Harvard MBA who did the math. And what he saw was that gold has averaged over 8% annualized growth since 2000, while also being one of the few assets that actually gains value during crashes. But the real reason he did it? Because his daughter Ava was about to start college. And if markets tanked again, like they did in 2008, he didn't want her tuition or her future at risk. That one call led to peace of mind, a solid allocation in real, tangible, tax-advantaged gold. And he started by simply getting a free gold IRA guide, the same one that's linked right here on this page. Now, if you're someone with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, this isn't about fear-mongering. It's about being smart, about diversifying like the ultra-wealthy. Because people with 8-figure portfolios don't put all their eggs in one basket, and they sure as heck don't leave their legacy at the mercy of the next interest rate shock or geopolitical crisis. If you're watching this, you've probably worked hard your entire life to build something real. For your spouse, your children, or maybe just peace of mind. But real wealth doesn't just get built, it has to be protected. So here's what I want you to do. Click the link. Get your free gold IRA guide. Book your no obligation educational call. No pressure, no nonsense, just the facts tailored to your situation. Because like James, you might not need a miracle investment. You just need the right one. Don't let Wall Street risks define your legacy. Protect it, preserve it, and start with the one free call that could change everything.